Hi, Elizabeth Johnson back with Southern Embellishment. So glad to have you stop by. I am so excited to show you what I've been doing with wax canvas and lace and buttons and material. And I will give you a little bit of a hint. The books I'm about to show you, there's over 100 million copies sold every year. Well, that's not my creation because, yeah, no way. So maybe I sell 5 a year, but this book I'm getting ready to show you sells over 100 million copies a year. Isn't that fantastic? It's the greatest book ever written. So you should know by now what it is. It is the Bible. And so my journey in this, doing what I did to the Bibles that I'm going to show you, started, the inspiration came from my daughter Cora, my middle daughter. We were preparing to dedicate her, my youngest grandbaby, which is now 9 months old, and we were getting ready for her dedication. And Cora said, Mom, I would really like if I'd really like to decorate a Bible for her. We always give, when we dedicate children in our church, we give them a little Bible to keep. But Cora had this idea, and I was like, you know what? I have a little Bible that I used, if you don't mind having one that I use, because I save my husband's Bibles and my Bibles. We save them so we'll have enough to give our children and grandchildren. And I write in mine. I take notes in mine. I utilize them and just really work them over. So I've got several. But anyway, I said, well, I have one that was mine. I'll go ahead and give her hers now, if that's okay with you. And it was coming loose from the spine, so I needed to do some repair on it. And it's been very, very lovingly used. And so I did the repairs on it. And this is what we come up with. So the inspiration came from this little Bible, making it for my little granddaughter Emmeline. And so this is what we did. First, you know, I fixed the binding, of course, and then I covered this one because when you recover it and you're fixing it, you know, you have to put something here because all that was ripped out. So I put a piece of the material here with lace, and I did the same thing in the back, and I used the Fabri-Tac glue, and it just did wonderful. And I used that also on the spine, so you can see it's all back together real good. It was all tore loose. I guess, took a before picture so you could see what I started with and how it turned out. But on the front here, we have some more of that same material. And a little lace applique, an awesome button with some sari silk and some cheesecloth. And then on the spine, we have these little rosette lace. And so this, and it's out of wax canvas. And so this is what I've been doing with the waxed canvas. I have another project I'm working on that has to do with traveler's notebooks, and that's going to take a little bit longer because it's going to be more of a story form type thing. But I'm really excited to show those to you also. So this is what was the inspiration for what I'm getting ready to show you. And of course, I'm not going to take you page by page through the Bible. I didn't do anything to the word. I kept it like it was. But I found a supplier and purchased these Bibles and covered them and with the wax canvas and a couple with some canvas and material. And so anyway, let's just go and I'll show you each one what we did. This is a journaling Bible. It has the margins on the wide margins on each side, so you can journal. And I took the charcoal gray wax canvas, and I thought this one turned out so elegant. I have a couple of them here. I have the journaling Bible, this home and study Bible, and then I have the small Bible. So 3 sizes I did with this charcoal gray waxed canvas. And this one has, you know, you can see it's got the little metal, came from a piece of necklace, I believe. And the little rosette in the middle and the lace here. And I just thought this was so elegant with the gray and the white lace. It just turned out beautiful. And so I have all three of those. Each of them have different lace on them. And I just used, again, I just used the Fabri-Tac glue. And then if I can get it right, I put Thy Word in here in one of the Tim Holtz book plates. I used the book plate die, painted it with a Pitt pen, and then did some, oh my goodness, Gilder's paste over that, and then sealed them. I sealed them, sprayed the sealer on there so they wouldn't get the Gilder's paste off. So that's those. Then I took a piece of white canvas. This is another one of the journaling Bibles. I took a piece of white canvas and I put these, some of you seen partially of this on the Facebook page, and I decided to finish it out with, I wasn't sure what to do in the middle, and I decided to finish it out with this gorgeous piece of lace. And so that turned out really good. It's got some, it's all material in there. It's got some silver color sari silk and then a couple rows of lace, and that turned out really good, and I love it. I love all of them, of course. And I did a smaller one in that too, the tiny pocket-sized Bible, like that also. And I'll go ahead and show you the little ones that I did. And you might have saw this picture on my Facebook. But this is the brown, the darker brown wax canvas, just a piece of frayed material and a keyhole. And that actually turned out really, really sweet. It's simple, but really cute. This is the dark green camo, not camo, dark green wax canvas. It reminds me of camo, the color of green. Wax canvas, put double-sided lace there, and a piece of the strip of canvas scraps, a piece of doily with buttons. Gotta have buttons somewhere. And this is like a cinnamon color wax canvas. Same lace, a little scrap of the canvas, because I'll tell you the best part about canvas. I'll show you that in just a minute. I'll show you my most favorite part of working with canvas. But this has got 3 buttons down the middle there. Not that you couldn't account that already. And then this is a little lighter tan, and again it says Thy Word, and the buttons are sari silk, and I put a doily on this one. And I just love them. I just think they're so sweet. And this one is I believe, yeah, this is the cinnamon color. And turned that back and sewed it with some Paris material lace and Thy Word. And I like that one. Now this is the thin line Bible. And this is more of the gray with some material buttons and lace. A little bit different look there. And I love the way this one turned out. This is the dark green with some of that lace, and it says Thy Word on it. It's beautiful, and this is one of the study Bibles that is gorgeous. Gorgeous. I'm going to be taking these to the ladies' conference that we're going to this week and putting them in my booth there. And then this is red. This is the red wax canvas, applique and lace. So there's just some of the Bibles that I've done. That's what I've been doing with the wax canvas. It is easy to work with, and it's easy to work with, and a lot of fun to work with, and it's just wonderful. I love it. So I will link below the Etsy shop where I get my wax canvas from. I will link that below. Oh yeah, I forgot. I needed to show you that. I have a little piece of the frayed canvas on the back. So I will link at the bottom the Etsy shop where I get my canvas. Now I'm going to show you my favorite thing of working with canvas. Now one, just by folding it and using it, you get these distress marks in it, which is, I love. But what's neat about it is it'll change. It's like, as you use it, some of those will go away and you'll get new ones. Like when you rub it, it goes away and then you get new ones. But this is the best part of working with canvas. I love this part. So you measure out what you want. Let's say I want something this big. So I measure that out, put a little cut in it, and I'm going to hope this works. I hope this works. This is my favorite part. Listen to this. Is that awesome or what? I love it. No cutting. You snip it and you rip it and it is ready to go, and it's already partially frayed. You just finish picking out the threads and it just is awesome. I love it. I've used it on several projects. I just can't get enough of working with it. I love it. So that's the best part of working with canvas. It's so fun. So fun. So fun. If you're watching this and you're going to the retreat, we'll see you there. Stop by our booth. If not, and you're our faithful subscribers, we thank you so much. And I am going to tell you to be looking for a giveaway. My big 6-0 birthday's coming up in May. And so it's May 13th, Mother's Day this year. And I'm going to have an awesome giveaway. And it's going to be more than one. And I'll tell you all of that in my giveaway video of why it's more than one and how many it's going to be. And but you don't want to miss it. It's going to be a wonderful, wonderful giveaway. And so make sure you like and subscribe. And be looking for that video to explain what you need to do to be a part of it. I hope you have a great day. Thank you for stopping by. And you can do these with, altered books also. You could do it with any book cover. You could do it with Nick the Booksmith's tomes that she shows us how to make. If you haven't checked her out, go to teachable.com and check her classes out. And you will not regret it. Have a great day. Make something beautiful. Bye-bye.